Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to log out of HSBC Mobile app. All right, so let's begin with the video. So from in there, you should be able to see in here your HSBC. Here, make sure to log in first, and onto your home page, just head over and click onto this profile icon right here in order to see your profile. Now, once we have done that, we should be able to see in here our profile right there. So what you can do is you can head over and click onto this Manage Devices, and if you want, you can remove devices that has been signed into your account that you don't recognize anymore. Doing that will improve the security of your account. Another option is to just click onto this Log Off option right here, and then from there, your account or the devices you're using right now will be logged off of your account that you're using right now. So that's basically how you log out of HSBC mobile app. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.